Hey, how's it going, guys? So today I wanted to show you a fitness related video. There was a first video that I uploaded where I talked about some tips, some foundations and principles. But today I actually wanted to show you 3 of my favorite exercises that I like to do right here at my home, at the comfort of my home. All of these exercises are pretty advanced, so for all of you newbies out there, I will try to make some variations later on. But today I just want to, claim the bragging rights. So without further ado, let me get right into this. The very first exercise and the second exercise that I'm going to show you were performed by Bruce Lee, okay, who is one of my icons, one of my role models growing up. And the first exercise I'm going to perform is called Dragonflags. So stay tuned. So I'm about to perform these Dragonflags. I'm just going to show you 4 repetitions. I'm going to do some variations in the middle on how you could do it. Again, this is very advanced. Keep that in mind. But try to watch this, okay? So you need to grab onto something solid, okay? Something that has a solid support. So grab it and then put both of your legs up. So only your shoulder blades are touching the ground and it never so if you go like this is incorrect. Okay? So I'm just going to show you 4 reps. That was tough. There you go, 4 repetitions of Dragonflags. I showed some variations. Without further ado, let's go right into exercise number 2. Alright guys, the second thing I'm going to show you is a push-up. Oh wait, no. Hey, take away one hand. So it's going to be a one-handed push-up. Here you go. That's tough. If you do the left side, you gotta do the right side too. Alright. Guys, I came back from a leg workout, a grueling leg workout, so most of my energy is drained. I only showed you 4. Obviously, I can do 400. But, yeah, there you go. So I did the Dragonflags, and I performed one-handed push-ups, and we're gonna go into the last exercise. Here we go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you the last exercise. For this, I'm gonna take my hat off, so I apologize in advance for the terrible hair day. The focus is not on my hair, but it's gonna be on the workout again. I'm just gonna show you 2 repetitions because I'm pretty drained at this point. So these are called handstand push-ups, okay? All you have to do is make your head touch the carpet with your hands supporting you on the ground where your whole leg is raised. So here we go. So get into a handstand against the wall and then just down and then up. Down and then up. Let me see if I can squeeze one more out. Whew. Pretty taxed. Okay. Oh man, that was tough. So today, I showed you 3 of my favorite exercises that I like to perform at home in case I don't have time to go to the gym. Again, I'm gonna upload a ton of videos. I'm actually in a transformation phase right now. Give me a couple more months. I'm taking weekly pictures so I can show them all in a sequential order so you guys can exactly see how my progress is advancing. I think there's a competition sometime next year in LA. Thinking about registering, but anyways, I hope you like this video. It's actually the first video where I've done something very physically engaging other than cooking. Y'all want to stay tuned for the next video this weekend though, okay? Because It's gonna be a good one. So guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe. Click on the notification bell down below so you guys are always up to date with what videos I'm uploading. And I love y'all. Peace.